Yo, what's good? It's DJ Ricky Ricardo coming at you again with another tutorial video. And it's been a minute since I made a video. Hope everybody's safe in this damn pandemic. So, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to install Kontakt 5 and load a plugin into Kontakt 5. Also in Flstudio10. So, before I get into the video, I just want to let y'all know that I had just released an instrumental album called 5 Northern versus 5 Southern Healthy Beats for Your Mind, Body, and Soul. All it is just 10 beats out of my library with 5 East Coast beats and 5 Dirty South trap style beats. And you all let me know which side y'all like, the south side or the north side. Alright, now that's done. Now we can get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is, excuse me, I already have my Fruity Loops open, is get to the setup exe. So we're going to click on the setup exe. Wait for it to load. Now I already got everything installed. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. Windows is going to ask you, would you like to install the app? Say yes. And just wait for the setup to load up and follow the instructions. Okay. Oh, and if y'all like this video, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and comment. Send me an email if y'all need help or if y'all got any questions. Write in my comment box below, and I will put, I won't forget to put my album and my Spotify music into the description of my page. So if y'all interested, y'all can go check that out and support your boy. See? So now setup is about to start. So all you're gonna do basically is just click next, 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 and just wait for it to install. And I should cut the video, but I think this installation is going to be really fast, so it wouldn't even make sense. Okay, it's all about done. Okay, now it's finished. So all you're gonna do is click finish, and what you're gonna do next is I'm going to open up my FL Studio. So now that my FL Studio is open, you are going to right click on, it doesn't matter, of any one of these 4 tracks, and you're going to scroll down to insert, and you are going to go to more. Now in here, these are where all your VSTs and your plugins are stored. So what you're going to do is go all the way to the bottom of this box and click refresh and look for fast scan recommended. You click that, and what it does is that it searches automatically for the new plugins that you just installed. And what you're going to do is look for Kontakt 5, and we're going to double click on that. Boom, double clicked on it, and this is what I got. It comes up. Now I already had a sound library in there, but I removed it just for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to add it back again. So in order to do that, what you got to do is now you have to actually go and buy a VST pack that supports Kontakt 5 sounds, which one of them is Big Broadband from Fable Sounds. I'm also going to put that link up in the description too. So when y'all ready, you can check that out. So what we're going to do now to add the library is we're going to click add library, and the contents folder of Broadband or wherever you have your the content at, you can put it in your desktop, your folder, anywhere. You're going to find the folder, and mine, which is on my desktop, is right here. So I'm going to click Broadband, and the file that Kontakt searches for should be inside of the folder. So you click OK, and Windows 10 is going to ask you, do you want to allow this app from a known publisher to make changes? Say yes. It's going to ask you twice. So say yes. Now Kontakt says it will now add the library. Say yes, and say yes. Ignore this error. Okay, now I got the library right here. So if I want, I can start using the sounds and make music. Another thing is that it's not fully activated yet, so it's running in demo mode. So in order to do that, you would have to click this button to activate and get the authorization code and everything to get the full version running. So that I will leave that for another video, but there you have it. So support your boy, and this is DJ Rickey Ricardo out. I'm out.